There's nothing. That's crazy. No, I know, but there's like nothing in front of us. This is natural wood. Oh my god. This is crazy. It's so dark, we can see the stars. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh my god. Here we go. Why is this metal? This thing is metal. It'd be nice if this is like cushioned. You get like.
Well, I haven't been on the Grey trains.
You know, it needs like one of those like armrest things that you put over cushions.
It has such general brakes when you stop here.
Huh?
It has such general brakes when you stop here.
Yeah. But you fly into the brake run.
The laterals are better.
Yeah.
The laterals are great.
Crazy.
Oh, look, only one loop is. What happened?
The others don't exist. There's just that one loop. Let's go back.
Hello.
Run.
Hey.
We got very quiet here.
Hi, gay.
We're all running on fumes.
What is it?
Oh, I think the older I feel like the older.
I'm on my last tap spoon.
I'm on my last tap. I'm on a teaspoon.
I think the old trains were more comfortable, somewhat. I don't know. These are so open. Woo! There we go.
Thank you for riding. Inside the train and remain fully seated at all times. Cell phones are not permitted to be used at any time during the ride. If you take your cell phone out once
You thigh crushed yourself.
the ride. Thank you for riding safe and enjoy your ride on the Great White. All clear?
All clear and you're out of here.
To dispatch. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the night. And see you later. Bye.
I feel like there should be something back here.
Yeah.
They're so open.
Gigantic slides.
I know. It's beach patrol. It's Ken's job.
What's up, beach?
But Barbie can be anything. President Barbie. But they still can't be outside their Barbie. They still are trapped. She's classic Barbie, stereotypical Barbie. So she's also still trapped. It's funny because they're very pro-woman, but in the end they're also very trapped within their stereotypes. Now we can do the middle.
The exit is on your left. To the next one, guys.
Oh my god, I'm just putting this in this one. I'm tired of it. It's going in here.